Hi there! Welcome to Adobe Illustrator from Zero to Beyond. Before we start the course, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Davi Salgueiro and I will be your instructor for this course. I live in Brazil, I have a lovely wife, and we both enjoy to travel whenever we have some spare time. I have lived and worked in many places, and for the last 10 years I have been working for the government in Brazil and sharing my knowledge as a teacher. And teaching is who I really am and where I'm at my best. And as a teacher, my goal is to deliver practical courses. When I build a new course, I know it's not perfect, there's always something that can be done better. If you have any suggestions or doubts, please let me know. I will be glad to answer your questions and also to make any necessary changes to this course. To follow along this course, you will have to download all the resources available. These files are separated by section. In the first class of each section, there will be a zip file that you have to download to follow along. Now let's begin the course and start learning.